Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to remove the rear door panel on this i30 from 2019. To remove the door panel you will need a cross type screwdriver and a plastic removal tool. Inside the door handle you will have this plastic cover, and underneath you will have this cross type screw. After you remove the screw, remove this piece of trim. Put your plastic removal tool under the door panel and pull. After that, slide it upward. You'll have two cables, one for the window switch, one for the open mechanism, and this one has a push and pull tab. And that's it guys, one screw, 9 clips, actually 10. Thanks for watching, see you guys next time, bye bye.